I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want it. I know you want to stitch. I know you want it.
What's up, Stitches? This your boy Daniel J doing a voiceover from a horrible video that I had recorded, but it'll be okay. Right now, what you see is a package or the packaging from the drop shipping. The company that I use is Printful. It has my logo up top, which I will be changing soon because I have been revamping. It has their return label and the customer's information right there at the bottom where it's supposed to be with the tracking number that they scan. The first one is the book bag. The second one that you're about to see is the group of shirts and hoodies. So let's go into the unwrapping. Right now I am unwrapping the shirts. As you can see, they have a packing slip in the inside. You can't really see it. Sorry for the recording. My bad. It's a clear bag, white bag. It doesn't have anything on there. It's better for, like, I want to say so nobody will steal your packages or whatever if people knew what it was. As you can see right there, is a total of 3 pieces. I have a shirt, a hoodie, and in that bag right there is the boot bag that I ordered. Start unpacking the shirt, and which I do love because of the fact that they want to make sure that your garments aren't damaged during shipping, like with dust and everything. I used to work at the post office, so like dust getting into the bag and everything, so it is sealed up tightly. First design that you see is the Stitches I Love It parody shirt, looking like Kanye and Lil Pump, and it has the Stitches stuff at the bottom. Let people know where you got it from. Right there is the Thready the Rabbit hoodie. I am so glad I finally got me one. I keep giving my hoodies away to people from the kindness of my heart, and now I'm able to brand myself and use the company mascot and wear it so people can see it. It's a Gildan 50/50 cotton polyester blend hoodie. And it's real durable. Got front pockets. Go copy one. This one right here is what I'm really excited about. It's the Thready the Rabbit book bag. The book bag was fully customized. It's made to order. You create it, they make it for you. That again, it is packaged in a separate bag other than the packing slip. The packing or the packaging. Sorry. It has the official Thready the Rabbit design up front. It has a front zipper. I was able to customize the inside, which matches the outside print of the book bag itself. At the bottom right there you see a personalized message. Inside you have your regular part where you put your stuff at. It has a different compartment where you can put a tablet or a laptop at. Let's see, and it also has a back zipper where you can put like pens, pencils, so you won't mess anything up that's important up front, or you can put something important in the back, which I do like that secret compartment. At the bottom I do have my different sayings over there. At the bottom it does says, well, that one says be successful, and then it will have Stitch and Stuff at the bottom. I love that book bag to death. As you can see, the hoodie and the book bag matches, so you can go out in style along with the I Love It Stitches shirt. Right there is the packing slip. It has your company logo up top, has a barcode that guess they scan in the warehouse, has your customer's information, it has the packing slip information, has the quantity, it has the customer's cost, and it also has like a personalized message that you can give to your customers, like follow the brand or make sure you follow us. And as you can see here, Again, the Stitches, the Bear, I love it shirt, as well as the Thready the Rabbit hoodie. The blue bag is underneath the shirt. Sorry for the blurriness. Let me know what you think. Make sure you like, follow, subscribe, and comment. If you have any questions, let us know at the below, and then we'll go from there. Thank you for watching. Peace out, Stitches.